In this video, we'll provide an overview of setting up your services. When you're creating an event or a prospect, you have the option of assigning services to that event. Up here under Event Details, you'll notice Scheduled Services, and underneath that, a listing of all the services that this client has hired us for this event. When we go into Edit mode, you'll see we have the opportunity to add a service, and then within that service, we can define specific times. Now this is useful if you have an event that runs a longer period of time, but within that event you have scheduled services that are only there for a portion of it. An example might be a wedding reception where the DJ's there from start to finish, but a photographer or a photo booth operator might only be there for the first 2 or 3 hours. So this allows you to select specific times for that service within the broader scope of the event. And anytime you can click the X to remove that service, and again from the drop-down you can add additional services. The same would apply when setting up a prospect in the system. So let's take a look at how to set up and manage your service offerings. You're going to want to go to the admin and click on Service Offerings. Here you're going to see a listing of all the services that your company provides. For each service, you'll notice an icon next to it. This is the icon that will appear with that event when it appears on the calendar. So you're going to want to choose an icon that's something that you'll remember that lets you know that it's a particular type of service. So for DJ here we have headphones, but you can click on this to choose a new icon at any time. So for a DJ you might want musical notes or a microphone. The choice is yours. Just pick something that you'll always remember. Means that it's a DJ service. Here next to the right we can click on this at any time if we want to update the text for that type of service. And off to the right, the delete icon. If it's a service we no longer offer and want to remove it. One note of caution with removing services, it's not going to let you remove them if you have it assigned to future events. So if you want to delete a service type, you're going to want to first go into your future events, make sure that it's not assigned to any of those, and then you can come in here and delete that service. If you want to create a new service, click the plus icon. Let's say we're going to add photo booth. Go ahead and type that in and click Create. And you'll notice here by default, there's no icon selected, so you can just click on this to select any icon that you want. So for photo booth, we'll go ahead and use this booth with a curtain on it. The system updates that instantly, and now that service is live and ready to go. If we were to go back to events, you'll notice now that we have that as an option. For add a service, we can choose photo booth. The system will default it to the event times, but let's say again that photo booth is only there until 9:30. We can go ahead and update that time. And then one last note here, these scheduled services are sorted in the order in which they occur in the event. So if you have services that are earlier in the event, those will appear first. Services that are later will appear last.